Well, y'all, I'm saving the best for last. I'm fixing to make Michael a dessert, and it's a strawberry pie. I hear all the birds back there. Look, a shrimp boat's coming in. Isn't it beautiful? I never get tired of seeing them coming by the house. All right, this is an easy pie. We're gonna throw it together like 1, 2, 3. Somebody said a while ago, Paula, do you know you've done a whole show without a stick of butter? Wrong. We got a stick of butter in this bowl. I'm fixing to whip it up. And this is at room temperature. It's gotten real soft. Now I'm gonna add some powdered sugar. Do you hear the seagulls yelping out there? That's because they're falling behind that shrimp boat to get food, to get any shrimp that they might drop. So I've got my butter whipped, and now I'm gonna add some powdered sugar. All right, I've got 2 eggs, and I'm gonna beat these up, and I'm gonna add them to the butter and the cream cheese. All right, you and I have talked a lot of times about raw eggs. Some of you are concerned about it, some of us are not. I happen to be one of those that's not concerned about it because I always make sure I use fresh eggs, never an expired egg, nor an egg that's got a crack in it. I always throw those away. But if you're concerned about the eggs, you can use a pasteurized egg or you can use the egg beaters. Now I'm gonna beat these up and I'm gonna add them to our butter and our powdered sugar. All right, I've got those beat up. Now I'm gonna put those in just a store-bought pie crust. This'll be fine. Michael won't care a bit. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side and let it sit for a minute. And I'm gonna get my fresh whipped cream and I'm gonna add a layer. Just gonna spread that kind of over and around our butter and sugar mixture. All right, now I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna slice some fresh strawberries. Now, I too much wouldn't recommend using a frozen strawberry because they contain so much water. And you could use any kind of fruit that you wanted to. This would be wonderful with blueberries or raspberries if you're a raspberry lover. And the whipped cream, to me, it's just a travesty if that cream is not sweetened. So I always put 1/4 of a cup of sugar to 1 cup of whipping cream, no matter what I'm doing with it. All right, so I'm gonna toss this in a little sugar. Just wanna make sure that our berries are sweet in our pie. So I'm just gonna put a layer of those. Doesn't that look good against that fresh whipped cream? All right, now I'm gonna finish putting the rest of the whipped cream on the top of the pie. And I'm gonna let some of those strawberries kind of peek out around that inside. Okay. All right, so I think I'm gonna add just a few whole berries. I've got one kind of sliced right there that looks pretty. Now all I'm gonna do is stick this in the refrigerator and let it set up, and then it's on the way to the tugboat. So I think that pie is just perfect. Michael's gonna love it, as well as the men that work with him. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.